Hey y'all, and welcome back to Chanda Southern Kitchen. Today we will be making a delicious sheet crab soup. If you love crab, this will definitely be a crowd pleaser. So grab your apron and come on in the kitchen and let's get started. Start by melting 1/4 cup of butter and getting that melted down. And next you're going to add in 1 cup of well-chopped celery. You're going to get that sauteed around. And next we're going to add in 1/2 cup of well-chopped bell peppers. I love to use green and red for a little added color. And next we're going to add in 1 cup of well-chopped onions. And we're going to get that stirred around really well. And we're going to get this sauteed until almost translucent. It is starting to smell really delicious, you guys. I wish you guys had smell-o-vision. You got to make this soup. I promise you would love it. And here I'm adding in 2 cloves of garlic. I have minced really well, and we're going to get that stirred in. And next I'm adding in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and we're going to get that stirred around and cooked until you get the flour taste cooked out of it. Continue to cook it really low. Don't let it burn, but just continue to stir. Keep it moving around in the pot. Add in 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and get that stirred around. We're building flavor, you guys. It's smelling so good. And now we're adding in 2 cups of water, and we're just going to get that stirred around until that water comes up to a warmer temperature. Now add in 1 teaspoon of Old Bay season, because why not? We'll continue to build this flavor. Now we're adding in 2 teaspoons of our chicken bouillon. Continue to get that stirred in. And as you continue to get this stirred in, you'll kind of see the consistency kind of thickens up a little bit from that flour. Add in 1 teaspoon of black pepper and get that stirred in. Add in 1 tablespoon of that Worcestershire sauce, or W sauce as I like to call it. And here we're also adding in 1½ tablespoon of lobster base. This is going to build a lot of flavor to your soup. And here I'm adding in 2 bay leaves, which is optional, but it also helps build flavor in your soup. Now it's time to add 2 cups of our heavy whipping cream and 1 cup of whole milk. Now let's get that incorporated really well. Get all those flavors combined. And now we're adding in 1/2 cup of our sherry vinegar and get that incorporated as well. And right here is where I was adding in 1 pound of my crab mixture. You will use 1 pound of that. Now add in 1 teaspoon of hot sauce of your choice. And get that stirred in. This is build more flavor, you guys. You want to cook this for about 15 minutes. You don't want it boiling, but you want to get it to simmering, get everything warmed up, get that crab warmed up, and that soup is looking right, y'all. Look at that, yummy. And here's your delicious sheet crab soup, and it is sure to please a crowd. I hope you enjoy it as much as we did. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also remember to hit that bell to continue watching all my videos. I appreciate you guys. God bless.